Fertilization and soil management. Proper fertilization and soil management are pivotal to the vitality of your walnut trees and the yield of your orchard. This chapter provides comprehensive guidelines on these topics, laying the groundwork for a productive walnut farm. Soil fertility forms the foundation of walnut tree health. A fertile soil is rich in essential nutrients that the trees require for growth and nut production. Regular soil testing is advised to determine nutrient levels and pH, facilitating informed decisions about the types and quantities of fertilizers required. Walnut trees generally require high amounts of nitrogen, as well as other macro and micronutrients such as phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and zinc. Balanced fertilizers, designed specifically for fruit or nut trees, can provide these nutrients in appropriate proportions. Organic options, such as compost or manure, are also excellent soil amendments, improving both nutrient content and soil structure. Fertilizer application should ideally coincide with periods of active tree growth, such as spring and early summer. This timing ensures nutrients are readily available when the trees need them most. However, over-fertilizing can be just as harmful as under-fertilizing, potentially causing nutrient imbalances or pollution of local water sources. Therefore, always apply fertilizers according to package instructions or professional advice. Managing soil pH is equally critical. As mentioned earlier, walnut trees prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, 6 to 7.5. If your soil is outside this range, amendments may be necessary to adjust the pH and optimize nutrient availability. Cover cropping is another beneficial practice, particularly during the off-season. Cover crops, such as clover or vetch, can improve soil fertility by fixing atmospheric nitrogen. They also enhance soil structure, increase organic matter, and suppress weeds. Effective soil management extends beyond nutrient provision. Practices such as mulching can help conserve soil moisture, suppress weeds, and stabilize soil temperature. Mulches can be organic, like wood chips or straw, or inorganic, like plastic sheets. In conclusion, effective fertilization and soil management are vital for the health and productivity of your walnut trees. By understanding your soil's needs and catering to them, you can foster an environment conducive to the growth of thriving, productive walnut trees. The next chapter delves into an equally crucial aspect of walnut farming: pest and disease management.